This video is to help you learn to use your new Discovery Techbook. This Techbook has a lot of options for you as a student and things that can help you to understand things that you may not be understanding, but it's different than probably anything you've used before. So we're going to start from the top on how to log in and how to actually access the content that you need to know. So you're going to go to google.discoveryeducation.com. When you enter that in, it'll throw you to a Google page. If it throws you straight to Discovery, make sure that you're logged in to Chrome or whatever you're using with your student ID information. If you're not logged in with your Greenville County email address, it won't let you in. So now you'll just log in with your Greenville County information, which is first letter of your first name, first 5 of your last name, and then the last 4 digits of your ID number. And you'll enter that in, and then when you hit return, it will take you to a page that is sponsored by Greenville Schools if it doesn't already log you in. So I was already logged into Chrome, but then it'll take you to that Greenville County page, just like when you go to check your email and things. It's like green on the left and white on the right. Enter your same login information, and then it'll take you immediately to a page that looks like this that you see here. Now my page may look a little different than yours because it is from the teacher standpoint, but we still have access to the same tech book. So I'm just going to kind of show you some highlights that way. So to get to the tech book, you'll go to My DE Services Science Tech Book. If there's ever any one topic you're struggling with though, and you say, let's say you're struggling with carbon compounds, you can always just enter the keyword carbon compound into the search bar at the top, and that'll pull up different videos and things that may help you to understand the concept. But let's go to the tech book. So My DE Services Science Tech Book. And then here you'll see an outline of the tech book. So you can click on your table of contents and it'll give you everything topic by topic. But you can click on the course view and it would give you kind of those big unit headings that we have for the whole course. So let's look at Building Blocks of Life. I'm going to hit this arrow here, this blue arrow, and it breaks it down into more of the subtopics inside each. And so I'm going to just use, for example, atoms, elements, compounds, and chemical bonds. Click that. And then when you get here, you probably will not see this because this is all the teacher stuff, but you'll see a tab at the top that says Explore. This is basically where the bulk of this textbook is. So it's got terms highlighted in bold. If you click that term, it's going to pop up a glossary for you and define the term, even give you a video, a short little video on what that means, in different tabs here. So that's the word definition, an animation to help you understand it, a video to help you understand it, and then maybe a picture. So all those are linked through the text there, and that's in your interactive glossary. If you were just trying to read, if your teacher told you maybe to read the section on atoms for homework, this would be what they're referring to, this underneath this Explore tab. If you are maybe new to English, or English is your second language and it may help you to understand in another language, you can translate to Spanish here. I'm not sure that there are other options in Spanish right now, but I think they're working on that. Also, if you're reading this and you're like, man, that's a little, I don't understand what they're saying, and you want to pick a different way of reading it, you can select to read at a different reading level, that one is more difficult than the other. But this will just kind of help you to maybe pick the right version. So the way I think about it is like when I'm reading the Bible and I'm reading it in King James Version and I want to read it in something a little easier to understand, I'll just select on my app to read it in the NSV or something. You can also change the font size, so if it's too small and you're having trouble reading it, or if you're on your phone or something, you can always change the font size as well. And then all these little videos along the side are animations and videos to help you understand the content over in the left-hand side of the TechBook. And then the last function I kind of want to show you is the interactive glossary. So here, when I'm on a section, it pulls up the words that are in the glossary for this section. But you can also, right when you click TechBook, so I'll go back to that page, you'll see interactive glossary up at the right hand side. So if you have to do vocabulary for homework, that's where you go to do that. You click the glossary, it brings up this thing that you can search. So let's say you're trying to search for homozygous, which is a word we'll use in genetics, but if you're searching for that, then you just type it in, select the bold word, linked word at the bottom, and that'll take you to all the other stuff. Oh, I didn't mean to click that. And that concludes your TechBook, and if you have any other questions, feel free to ask, and good luck.